Word. Look at that. First snake on the docket. That is a big water. Come here. Don't eat me, please. Here. Let me help you. By help you, I mean help me help you get out. Yeah. That is a stunning water. Okay, well, nice. Dude, look at that monster. That is a huge Florida banded water snake. That is absurdly cool. He's gonna nail me in the face, but that's awesome. First snake of Florida, or at least first in-hand snake. Look how big he is. That belly is incredible too. That's what I love about bandeds is even though they're so common, they've got some incredible variation in them. You can get some with tiger stripes, some are jet black with white stripes, and then some you have this incredible checkerboard belly. It's so cool. All right, final look at this big guy, but we're gonna go ahead and give him the release. Later, buddy.